It's December 3rd and her elves are crazy. I came to get her ready to go to school and look at this. How am I supposed to get ready? You're driving too? What is this? It's my dishwasher. Not a car wash. Bro, really? They had to bring your descendants doll on a ride too? Who do you have? Oh my goodness. And all of their little elf pals. I don't know. I'm really gonna put them in there and just turn on the water and see what happens. Maybe they'll disappear forever. I need to get your stuff ready for school. What did you say? Hey, you really want to be on the naughty list, don't you? Naughty list.
No, I hate school.
See? Okay. I don't know. I'm not gonna do anything today. Oh, I know. I guess I can move them with the tongs. Yeah? Or I can touch him. Well, let's see what your advent calendar gives you.
Oh, I forgot about that.
What day are we working on now?
22nd.
Oh, another elf. Oh, you know what? I think the first one is his boss in the store that was yelling at him. And then is that the girl? You think?
Who knows?
I don't know either. I think it might be. Okay. What does Peppa got to offer you? And don't cheat again. What could it be? Ooh, that's a big one. Oh, a present. I know, bigger than a tree. That must be a good present.
It's not bigger than a tree.
It's bigger than a tree to me.
No,
The tree's taller.
what is fatter than the tree?
Okay, talk tomorrow. Now I'm gonna have to go clean up my dishwasher so that I can actually do dishes.